this for 4 years now. This week. It was something I used to do as a kid, and it was a way for me to give some small way back to the community. I go every weekend if there's somebody that either needs a tree or wants to go up. Once everybody has gotten theirs and no more to give, then I stay home and stay warm. Being able to have my boys up doing it for the first time.
Not bad. Definitely not as bad as I thought it would be. Figured we'd be getting something bigger, but I'm all right with this. I believe we got 6 this time. We got 8 tags in there, so we'll be back for more for sure. Yeah, gotta have some fun. Can't be all work.
Everybody's got extra ornaments that they're always trying to give away. Well, this is an easy way for them to get rid of it and that it goes to somebody that actually needs it. So, and it gives everybody a chance to give a little. And nobody's got to go too far out. You don't have to give money. You can just give old things that you got, the effort that you give. And that's what it's about, I think. The effort, the little things.
Oh, thank you so much.
No worries. You guys have a good Christmas.
Wait, look, I'm so excited. I'm going to post a picture of the kids after they decorate.
Paying it forward.